Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police, SP, Sylvester Nongtingar, on 24 September stated that the state reported 250 drug cases between 2019 and April 2024. He also said that a total of 485 individuals were arrested in connection with drug-related cases in the district. Speaking to reporters, Nongtingar affirmed that the state police has made significant progress in arrests over recent years, with 92 arrests in 2019, 45 in 2020, 48 in 2021, 114 in 2022, 133 in 2023, and 53 so far this year. Furthermore, he informed that drugs like cannabis, yaba tablets, opium, narcotics, among others have been seized. Emphasizing that the Meghalaya police aims to arrest drug traffickers, the East Khasi Hills SP assured that the police has been targeting at large, not just small-time dealers. Earlier, the Meghalaya government acknowledged the need for strengthening laws and fostering community involvement. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdaw, on 7th June, stated that the Law Department is rigorously working towards tightening the noose around drug traffickers' necks.